This chair has been sitting here half finished for months now, and I realized I don't want to carry this unfinished project into the new year. There's something about completing what we start that feels like clearing space, not just in the room, but in our minds. So I finally decided it was time. This armchair is part of a set with the blue couch in my living room. I restored that a couple of years ago. The process has several steps, and I'm doing everything the traditional way, just as it was originally made. Well, almost. I'm using foam instead of straw for the cushions. But everything else, exactly as it would have been done decades ago. This chair was a lot of work, but it was absolutely worth it. Now I have this cozy nook for my crocheting, for reading, for my morning coffee, or simply for being. So I'm curious, do you have any unfinished projects you're hoping to complete before the new year? I would love to hear. Thank you for spending this time with me, and I'll see you in the next one.